The world of overlanding and off-grid travel has seen a massive surge in popularity over the last few years, and leading the charge is a vehicle that has become synonymous with factory-built adventure, the Winnebago Revel. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a very special example that has just hit the auction block. This isn't just any camper van, it is a highly upgraded 2023 Winnebago Revel 4x4 that sits on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis. For those who want to skip the year-long waiting lists at dealerships and jump straight into a rig that is already dialed in with premium aftermarket upgrades, this auction represents a rare opportunity to own one of the most capable Class B motorhomes ever produced. Under the hood of this beast lies the tried-and-true 3-liter turbo-diesel V6 engine, a power plant known for its durability and low-end grunt. Producing 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, it provides the perfect amount of muscle to haul a fully loaded camper over mountain passes and through sandy washes. This engine is mated to a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission and a dual-range transfer case, allowing the driver to engage four-wheel drive when the pavement ends. One of the standout mechanical upgrades on this specific unit is the massive 40-gallon fuel tank. While the standard Sprinter tank often leaves overlanders anxious about range, this extended capacity ensures you can venture deep into the wilderness without constantly eyeing the fuel gauge. The exterior of this Revel is finished in a sophisticated blue-gray paint that perfectly complements its rugged intentions. But the upgrades don't stop at the paint. To handle the varied terrain of the great outdoors, the seller has equipped this van with 17-inch black Rhino Arsenal wheels finished in black, wrapped in the gold standard of overlanding tires, the BF Goodrich All-Terrain TAKO2. To further enhance the ride quality both on and off the road, the suspension has been significantly beefed up with a van compass kit featuring Falcon 3.3 adjustable shocks. This setup allows the owner to manually tune the damping, ensuring the van remains stable on the highway while providing enough compliance to soak up washboard roads and rocky trails. Stepping inside, the Winnebago Revel reveals why it has become the benchmark for compact adventure vans. The cockpit is a high-tech command center featuring the Mercedes-Benz MBUX infotainment system with a crisp 10.25-inch touchscreen. It comes packed with modern conveniences like a 360-degree camera system, which is an absolute lifesaver when navigating tight trails or crowded parking lots. Safety is also prioritized with Distronic adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, making long highway hauls to the trailhead as stress-free as possible. The front bucket seats are trimmed in black leatherette and are designed to swivel 180 degrees, transforming the driving area into part of the living space once you've reached your destination. The living area is a masterpiece of space management, often referred to by Winnebago as the smart space design. Just behind the driver is a pull-out dinette table and a bench seat with 2 additional seat belts, meaning you can safely travel with 4 people. The kitchenette is positioned across from the sliding door, allowing an indoor-outdoor cooking experience. It features a stainless steel sink, a 3.0 cubic foot compressor refrigerator that runs efficiently on the van's electrical system, and a microwave. Many owners appreciate the induction cooktop that can be moved to the exterior fold-down table, allowing you to fry up breakfast while enjoying the fresh morning air. One of the most innovative features of the Revel is the power lift bed system located at the rear. With the touch of a button, the queen-sized bed rises toward the ceiling, revealing a massive gear garage underneath. This space is lined with heavy-duty vinyl flooring and features tie-down points, making it the perfect spot to store mountain bikes, climbing gear, or even a small motorcycle. This dual-purpose design means you don't have to choose between a comfortable sleeping area and a functional storage space. When it's time to turn in for the night, you simply lower the bed back down. The rear doors also feature magnetic bug screens, allowing you to sleep with the doors wide open for maximum ventilation without worrying about uninvited guests. Hygiene on the road is handled by a clever wet bath located mid-ship. It serves as a shower and houses a swiveling cassette toilet, which is preferred by many off-roaders because it doesn't require a dedicated blackwater dump station. You can simply remove the cassette and empty it at any standard restroom. When the shower isn't in use, the space can be utilized as an additional gear closet with removable shelves, providing even more storage for wet gear or extra supplies. To keep the interior comfortable regardless of the weather, the van is equipped with a hydronic heating system and a roof-mounted Coleman Mach air conditioner, ensuring you stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Powering all these amenities is a robust off-grid electrical system. This Revel features 320 amp-hours of lithium-ion batteries that are charged via roof-mounted solar panels, the engine's alternator while driving, or a standard 30-amp shore power hookup. This setup provides enough energy to run the lights, fridge, and outlets for days without needing to plug in. For those who need to stay connected, the van provides plenty of USB ports and household-style outlets, all powered by a 2,000-watt inverter. Whether you are a digital nomad working from the desert or a weekend warrior looking for the ultimate escape vehicle, this electrical system offers the freedom to roam without compromise. This 2023 model comes to the auction block with approximately 30,000 miles on the odometer and a clean Carfax report, indicating it has been well loved and properly maintained. Buying a used Revel that has already been upgraded with a Van Compass suspension, black Rhino wheels, and an oversized fuel tank saves the new owner thousands of dollars in parts and labor, not to mention the time required for installations. As the overlanding market continues to evolve, factory-backed rigs like the Winnebago Revel remain the most desirable choices because they offer a level of fit, finish, and nationwide service support that many custom builds simply cannot match. If you have been looking for the perfect platform to begin your van life journey, this blue-gray Revel is a strong contender. It represents the pinnacle of the Sprinter-based adventure van, balancing Mercedes-Benz luxury with Winnebago's decades of revan manufacturing expertise. The bidding is expected to be competitive as the Revel continues to hold its value remarkably well. Don't miss your chance to own a vehicle that truly treats roads like suggestions. Whether your goal is to find the most remote campsite in the Rockies or to enjoy a comfortable road trip down the Pacific Coast Highway, this Winnebago Revel 4x4 is ready to take you there.